Good medical morning. Today, we're going to look at some of my favorite medical images and clips. Before we get started, let's check out this guy's clogged pores. Next is a before and after set of images. This 23-year-old woman came to the doctor with a lump on the right side of her face that had been there and growing for the past year. It was found to be a benign tumor. Here is an acne clip that is sure to make you pop. And can anyone figure out what is going on here? It's got me baffled. This image shows before and after a nose job and dental reconstruction. Which of these procedures did her the most good? Comment nose or teeth. Also click like for this incredible body transformation image. Speaking of body transformations, let's take a quick look at Thinnergy.
Hey, my name's Leanne. I'm checking in with Thinnergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thinnergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thinnergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thinnergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thinnergy.
Thinnergy.
To all the crew at Thinnergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thinnergy. I think you should give it a shot.